Okay, so lithium-ion batteries, they are becoming a sort of increasingly popular choice within the data center, but they do need to be monitored closely. I mean, I know it's perhaps been exaggerated, but there is a small potential fire hazard associated with them. Is that right?
Yeah, Phil, that is very true. I mean, as all data center professionals know, more and more the lithium-ion batteries are being used on their sites, and in fact, more and more energy storage systems are being used in a myriad of places now, such as wind and solar farms. They're all using lithium-ion battery storage. And of course, with regard to fire, it is an unfortunate fact that we only need to type lithium-ion battery fires into any search engine, and you'll get a myriad of stories and incidents come up. I mean, whilst there's not a great deal of reporting of lithium-ion battery fires in specific relation to data centers and data racks, we are aware they do occur, and the results can be quite catastrophic.
Okay, and in relation to that, Honeywell, and I know Bryland Fire, you've got an excellent relationship with them. They've developed a rather nicely named Tamer rack monitoring system, and that provides an early warning of potential failure in lithium-ion batteries. Is that right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we've got an excellent working relationship with Honeywell for many years now. In fact, we're an elite systems integrator within the Gen24 network. So what that means is, as a trusted partner, we can offer all of the latest technologies that become available to the market. And also that all of our clients can be confident that all of our sales staff and engineers have been trained and have the specialist knowledge to enable them to specify, install and maintain the equipment correctly. So yeah, it is great to have Honeywell as a partner. As we all know, they're a world-leading innovator in all things fire safety related, and the very cleverly named, I feel, Tamer rack monitor. It's a new product to the portfolio. We see it as an excellent tool to prevent lithium-ion battery fires, not only in data centers, but anywhere that there is lithium-ion battery storage. In fact, we're shortly going to be launching a CPD on Tamer, so watch this space, and that'll be coming out very soon.
Okay. And I know in a minute or two we're going to watch a small sort of demo video, but before we do that, can you perhaps outline some of the key features of this Tamer system?
Yeah, certainly. I mean, as the short video that's part of the presentation today will explain, there's a number of stages that lead to what's known as thermal runaway, which causes fire situations, which if alerted quickly and acted upon, can break the chain and prevent very disastrous consequences. So the real key features of Tamer is that it's a very simple product to install. It's not disruptive to retrofit onto existing battery racks or data cabinets, which as all data center professionals know, none of us want disruption in a data center for the day-to-day operation. The other key points are it's calibration free. So the operation of the system can be verified by a simple bump test, whereby the sensors are activated with a bottle of off-gassing compounds. The system gives highly reliable digital or Modbus serial communications for onward connections, and these can be used to electrically isolate the battery systems, activate ventilation systems, and connect to your fire alarm and BMS systems also. It's very low power consumption, compatible with all lithium-ion battery configurations and chemistries. So all round, I mean, the key features of Tamer are absolutely fantastic and provide a fantastic product to prevent data center fires, which none of us want.
Okay, so we're going to have a watch of the video now. That's great.
Choose safety with Tamer. When it comes to lithium-ion energy systems, safety is paramount. But accidents can happen. You've seen the headlines. There are ways to prevent and not just suppress a catastrophic battery fire. Tamer off-gas monitoring allows situational awareness to provide early warning when time matters most. Lithium-ion batteries can be the perfect solution for many of the energy challenges our world faces today, but the technology is inherently flammable. which has led to widespread concerns about the safety of the batteries. Safeguarding your batteries begins with understanding how batteries can fail, the stages of battery failure. Battery failure can be triggered by several types of abuse: thermal, such as overheating; electrical, such as overcharging; and mechanical abuse. The next stage is off-gas generation, which occurs significantly before thermal runaway. Then, smoke generation occurs, which means thermal runaway has started and catastrophic failure is imminent. Fire generation often takes place simultaneously with smoke generation, where propagation of the failure becomes significantly more likely. So let's look more closely at off-gas generation. It can occur anywhere from 2 to 30 minutes before smoke generation and thermal runaway. Off-gas generation happens as a battery cell begins to fail. Electrolytes break down and generate gas. This gas causes an internal pressure buildup, which ultimately is released from the cell in an off-gas event. Knowing when this event occurs allows time to prevent or mitigate a battery failure. Advanced diagnosis of lithium-ion battery systems means early warnings before a fire occurs. Current solutions don't help until it's too late, often at smoke or fire detection. Tamer is a new line of products designed to make battery storage systems safer, to provide earlier warning through smarter sensing. Tamer works at the second stage, the interval between off-gas generation and smoke, to stop thermal runaway before it ever gets started. An off-gas monitor is placed at each battery rack to monitor off-gas events. It can detect a single-cell battery failure in a typical open-air battery rack. When failing lithium-ion batteries emit off-gas, Tamer can detect this precursor before the cell fails. Now there's time to take preventative action. So what would you do with the extra time? Protect your people, property, and brand. Choose safety with Tamer and stop battery failure before it even gets started.
So you mentioned briefly the relationship with Honeywell, but Honeywell has appointed Bryland Fire as a key UK distributor of the Tamer product. And what do you offer in terms of the sort of sales, and I guess particularly important, the after-sales support service around the product?
Yeah, right. So we offer free site surveys. We'll put together the complete design proposals, complete with drawings as well, that explains fully what the system will consist of. Fully managed installation and commissioning as well. And then we're going to support that with staff training for all of the data center managers and engineers. And then we're going to also offer full ongoing maintenance and support. Okay, so any existing or prospective clients can be assured that Bryland, as an appointed Tamer distributor, they will not only have access to the experience and knowledge of our team, but also that of Honeywell too.
Okay, and I mean, I guess finally, the fact that Honeywell selected you is a great endorsement of yourselves in terms of what you do around fire suppression. And the Tamer is a great addition to the portfolio. Can you maybe just give us a little bit of a view on that larger portfolio, and I say how good it feels to be, get that level of endorsement from someone like Honeywell?
Yeah, we are extremely proud to partner Honeywell with this now, and we really do see Tamer as a great product that we can offer to our clients. And although we're a fire suppression specialist, this product now is allowing us to become a fire prevention specialist as well, which can only be a good thing. We do have a number of other products coming shortly with regard to suppression to be used in conjunction with Tamer. But more of this is going to come to the fore in the very near future.
Okay, well, I appreciate your time today. Thanks very much indeed, Graham.
Thank you, Phil. Yeah, it's been great. Thank you very much.